We took off the bed linered bed and threw on this one from one of my other trucks, and now we're gonna start stripping all this bed liner off and all that. Also, little update on the car is that, hold on a minute, we added this on. And soon we'll be putting on these lowering springs, so we can get all that on. And other than that, just wanted to update all you guys on everything. That looks pretty sick, I think. And we got to put some badges back on it. Other than that, we are going to get this going. Sorry I didn't make a video of installing this bed, but it only took a couple hours, so we're gonna start stripping all this off and do some body work and